Dog.
Okay, ready for more?
Dog.
Okay. All right. Let's do a couple more.
Dog.
You were doing real good. Mom didn't realize we weren't actually recording. Because she's a little spacey.
Dog.
Yeah. Okay. You're a little tired, huh?
Dog.
Yes. Okay. So like that. Okay. What's that?
Hey.
It's a thermometer.
Dog.
So I guess we're doing the TH again. We got a couple of them. And what's this?
Plant.
Plant. Exactly. Okay. So plant starts with
C.
P.
P.
Okay, so I'm trying to find that. Here we go. Okay, we're doing good now. We're cooking with gas. What's this?
Way.
Yes. And what does plate start with?
Hey.
P. Yes. Plant, plate.
Way.
Very good. What's that?
Hen. Wag.
Thumb.
Thumb.
Yeah, thumb thermometer.
Thermometer.
What's this? What's this thing?
Moon.
Yeah, and moon is a
Wag.
planet. Yeah, moon is a planet. Okay, what do we got? This is called a
Butter.
thimble,
Feather.
which goes on your thumb.
Thumb.
Yes. So thermometer, thumb,
Thumb.
thimble.
Tongue.
Okay.
Tongue.
What's that?
Bucket. Bucket.
It goes in a bucket. It's a plunger.
Water.
Yes.
Plant.
Plant, plate, planet,
Butter.
Very good. And then, yeah, give me the P's. Good. Yeah, very nice. Okay. All right, I'll get the next ones. Want to do a couple more? Jeez, your dog.
Dog.
Is
Disgusting.
he is. He's disgusting. Okay. Oh, I know you know this. Oh, this is a little harder. But I guess I did it together. Let's see if I can find them. I think I just saw this, actually. Yeah, here we go.
Toast.
What's that? Yeah, and toast is made of,
Wag.
yes, bread. And what are these?
Blocks.
Blocks. Okay. There we go. Keep trying to get a little bit better view of Sawyer. What's this?
Plumbing.
Yeah, broom. Broom sounds like bread.
Bug.
Very good. Let's see. I don't know if you know what that is.
Pull.
Blender. Yeah, blender
Blender.
sounds like blocks.
Bug. Dog.
What's this?
Wag.
Yeah, and brush sounds
Dog. Big.
like, yeah, brush
Bug.
sounds like
Bug.
bread. Yeah, bread,
Dog.
broom,
Bug.
brush.
Bug.
Very good. What color?
Pink. Pink.
Blue. Yes. Yeah. Blocks. Blender. Blue.
Wow.
Okay, what's that?
Butter.
It's a, yeah, it looks like butter except a different
Dog.
color. It's bricks.
Pig.
Bread.
Wow.
Broom. Brush. Brick.
Wow.
Yeah. How about this?
Dog. Hoppet.
Blanket.
Wackers.
Hey, you got all kinds of words today. So blocks,
Wacker.
blender, blue,
Wow.
blanket.
Wackers.
Very nice. Very good. Do you want one more?
Enough.
All done?
Done.
Very good. You did a bunch of these. Okay. Sawyer is all done.
Done.
Yeah, give me the cards. Thank you. I like how you clean up.
Done.